De Ruyter u tshemba leswaku Eskom va ta vuyisela mphakelo wa gezi eKhusile na Medupi ku nga ri khale. U vula leswaku ku na swiphiqonyana eKhusile kambe Medupi ya antswa swinene.
I really welcome the increased attention from the SIU, but also particularly from the Hawks, in getting to grips with the criminal networks that are still operating inside Eskom, and that have a very significant negative impact on our ability to operate the entity as we want. Just to use a metaphor, it's very difficult for a fish to swim in a toxic stream. So we need to clean up the stream if we want this fish to swim.
The investigations has really uncovered the organized crime that is at Eskom, and the schemes and collusion between Eskom employees, officials at various levels, in particular senior officials who were involved. And we are glad, we're really glad to see that there's consequence management, and we should really not relent in ensuring that they are held to account. The modus operandi, the method which they have used to fleece the monies to conduct this act of corruption has been exposed.
Va SIU va kombe hilaha xiyimo xi nga biha hi kona eka Eskom va vula leswaku ku na ntlawa wa vatirhi lava nga tinyiketela eka vugevenga bya ku onha mphakelo wa gezi. Mothibi vula leswaku ku na swirho swa Eskom lava se va nga ta na tindlela ta vutlhari swinene ku lava ku tumbeta hi laha va khumbekaka hi kona eka tikhampani leti endlaka bindzu na khampani ya Eskom.
It can't be open-ended. So what we are requesting the board to do in the assessments that you are doing is to look at the root cause and the material areas which are causing us to arrive at load shedding, and a deliberate focused action plan to deal with those. So that if it's 4 years, tell the country now, look, for the next 4 years, you're stuffed. That's it. That's your reality. Live with it. Rather, be frank like a bullet. But this killing us slowly kind of thing, 1 year, and then the 1 year is up. No, it's 1 year. And then when the 1 year is up, no, just tell us now. It's good for planning.
Kambe swirho swa palamende a va lava ku tiva ntsena leswaku xana Eskom va ta yimisa rini ku tsemeka ka gezi kumbe load shedding. Hlengwa a vula leswaku loko vo swi tshika switetano swi ta endla onge swi toloverekile eka va ka Eskom ku va va phakela gezi hi ku tsemela vaaki hi siku na siku.